Hello, I'm Timothy Jordan, and this is your update about the coolest developer news from Google in the last week. Developer Preview 3 of Android Things is now available, bringing new features and bug fixes to the platform. For more details on this release, including Android Bluetooth APIs and USB host support, check out the post. The GitHub for Santa Tracker has been updated with the open source versions of the web and Android apps from December 2016. Highlights and links to the repositories are on the post. This is the Material Design Color Tool. It's a new way to create, share, and apply color palettes to your UI. The link is on the post. We're increasing the concurrent connections limit for developers on the Firebase Flame and Blaze plan from 10,000 to 100,000. Also on Firebase are some new features of Firebase hosting and the Firebase CLI that makes configuring Firebase on your web app and working with multiple environments much simpler. Details and code are on the post. One last thing on Firebase, we've released the Firebase Admin Python SDK, focusing on Firebase auth token minting and verification. Code and links are on this post as well. The Google Neural Machine Translation System uses state-of-the-art training techniques, runs on TPUs to achieve some of the largest improvements for machine translation of the past decade, and is now generally available. Okay, I've got 3 quick updates about containers. First, we've started to make Kubernetes 1.6 available to Google Container Engine customers. Highlights include increasing in the number of supported nodes by 2.5 times and fully managed nodes. Second, we're making it even easier to manage Kubernetes clusters running in Container Engine with significant improvements to upgrading and maintaining your nodes, including automated node management and node auto upgrades. And third, Container Optimized OS is now generally available. If you're a Compute Engine user, you can now run your Docker containers out of the box when you create a VM instance with Container Optimized OS. For details about all these container updates or anything else from this week's episode, follow the links in the description below. Please subscribe and share. I'm Timothy Jordan, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching this week's episode of The Developer Show. If you'd like to catch some of our previous episodes, they're right over here on the left. And don't forget to share this with all your friends. They'll appreciate you for it.